What is up, guys? I'm back showing you some more footage of the flood. So there was some flooding on the road, so they closed down all the roads, so I won't be able to show you any more footage in different locations until later. Oh, if you see right there, there's water coming out of the wall. Just saying, it's pretty crazy. So this is all aftermath of the hailstorm. Yeah. So all this flooding water. This thing is crazy. Not supposed to be like this. Yo, so all the road and stuff is getting ripped up over here. And I think I found the pieces of the road. Yeah. So if you check this out right here. Crazy. This whole thing probably weighs like a lot of, a couple hundred, no, not a couple hundred, like 10 pounds maybe, like a couple hundred pounds. Anyway, so now just go over here. Crazy stuff. I'm just going around, checking stuff out, you know. Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. So that's pretty much it. I will show you more stuff on like the roads and stuff later, because this stuff is crazy, and you know, always cool to show you guys some stuff that's from different parts of the world. Not world, but parts of, you know, United States and crap. So just gonna walk back up, you know, taking videos of this crap storm. Like, I don't even know what the hell is going on here. And yeah, I just tried kicking that, and you know, didn't come off. Sorry, just school bus passing. And yeah, the stuff is all ripped up here, you know.